Why spend the equivalent of a down payment on a house on college when you can learn high income skills for free? I'm Afro Senpai, and I'm interested in all things related to the average person like you and me building their wealth. Let's go. The first skill we're going to be talking about is copywriting. Not copyright like I've just plagiarized somebody. Copywriting, writing copy. If you've ever been to a website and looked at a product and was like, this is stupid, and then you actually read the description and you're like, oh my gosh, I think I need this. That is copywriting. You are in charge of writing beautiful descriptions to get people to put their money down and buy whatever it is you're looking at. You can learn this skill for free on YouTube. Next is digital marketing. How can I drive people to particular websites, to particular products? And then this is also going to bolster the fact that you have access to copywriting skills if you're learning both. So you're driving people to websites and then you're hooking them with great copy because now they want to buy the product. A lot of people don't know this, but if you Google Garage, it is a slew of different free courses that you can get certificated in. So now you look even more professional when you go to a company and say, hey, I want to do this business for you, or I want to do this service for you. And I got a certificate from Google to show that I'm legit. Next is sales. Can you sell a blind person binoculars? Do you have the gift of gab? If you can convert somebody who's thinking about doing something to actually putting cash down, then you should go into sales, but not just any regular sales. Go for high ticket items. So if you sell things like jacuzzis or cars or whatever, where you can make a higher commission based off the total sale that you're doing, then this path is for you. You could also do this in the form of high ticket affiliate marketing. So if you don't know about affiliate marketing, there are products all over the internet where businesses want people to promote their products. So you sign up as an affiliate and you get a small percentage of the sale. A lot of people do this as Amazon associates. I do the same thing. So if there's a link in my description and you click on it and make a purchase, then I get a little kickback because it's my affiliate link. Now, what I have in my description is like small ticket items like $10, $20. If you have an affiliate program that has $1,000 products, $10,000 products, then your kickback is going to be a lot bigger. You can learn how to do affiliate marketing online, like on YouTube. Also check out the podcast, The Hardcore Closer. Next is software for businesses. So if you go to a business and the website looks like it came out of Netscape 1999, then you have the ability to go in and say, hey, I was playing around with websites and I saw yours and I wanted to update it a little bit, make it look more modern. You have access to AI building websites and you can just send them a picture or make a video of how functional the new website could be. And then they pick you up as a client. And now you're letting AI do the dirty work and you're collecting the checks. This doesn't just work for websites. This also works for apps or voicemail automation through AI. Google App Maker AI, Website Maker AI, and you're gonna find something. Take some time to do some research and learn about what the best websites are for building websites or for building apps or for building voicemail automations for companies. Businesses don't want to lose money because they're not where their customers are. So if they don't have an app or they don't have a voicemail ready, they're losing money. This is where you slide in and provide a nice service for the business so you can get paid. So for resources, check out the Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. Last but not least, we're talking about public speaking or content creation. Do you have a passion in your heart? Have you always thought or seen somebody who's doing something online and you said to yourself, how is this getting that many views? I could do a lot better. Then go ahead and do a lot better. If you're doing the public speaking route, maybe you've never done a speech before, start by writing a book. You writing a book could lead to somebody wanting to have a meeting with you. It could lead to somebody having a small group meeting with you. And then that could lead to a speech at a business office or a school for a class group, you don't know what a small spark could lead to in the future. And if you're like, I don't know how to speak, I always say, I bumble over my words, look up Toastmasters in your area. Typically, there will be something for you where you can learn how to speak effectively to a crowd. One day you may be hosting your own TED Talk. That's going to do it for this episode. You don't have to do all 5, just pick one. Start there. Once you feel comfortable generating money in that field, maybe move on to something else. The point is, you no longer need to rely on a college or a university to set yourself up for success. Once you start bringing that money in, also rely on this channel to show you what to do with that money to blow-up-shoot your money even further, because this channel is all about empowering the average person to become wealthier, the first wealth builder in their family, the first millionaire in their family. If you appreciate the content that I was dropping, don't forget to pay the like tax. Share this with somebody who's recently been furloughed or somebody who is between jobs right now. We gotta step our game up because we cannot rely on the government. We cannot rely on our job to take care of us until we're 65 or whenever we want to retire. Comment below if you have a high income skill that I did not talk about today. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.